Ready to capture every thrill, splash, and adrenaline rush? Whether you're diving into the ocean, racing through mountains, or vlogging your next big adventure, choosing the right action camera can make all the difference. In this video, we're revealing the 5 best action cameras of 2025 that are built to follow your wildest moments. Let's see which one deserves a spot in your gear bag. Number 5. Akaso Brave 7 LE. The Akaso Brave 7 LE continues to impress with its budget-friendly features, making it an excellent choice for vloggers and one of the best GoPro alternatives out there. It captures 4K video at 30 frames per second and boasts a surprisingly effective 6-axis electronic image stabilization, which does a great job of keeping your footage steady, even at this affordable price point. While it's unfortunate that 4K at 60 frames per second isn't an option for smoother motion capture, the available 2.7K at 60 frames per second gives you a solid alternative when you need more fluid action. And if you're willing to sacrifice a bit of resolution, the Brave 7 LE still delivers solid visuals for most vlogging needs. Worst case, you can always sharpen things up in post. A standout feature is the dual screen setup with a front-facing display that makes framing yourself a breeze. Perfect for solo creators and vloggers on the move. Just keep in mind, the camera is quite compact, which might take some getting used to in terms of handling. As for durability, the Brave 7 LE is IPX7 water resistant without housing, meaning it can survive splashes and light rain. Additional features like built-in Wi-Fi, external mic support via USB-C, and intuitive menu navigation round out the package, making this camera a solid GoPro Lite experience for anyone looking to create on a budget. Number 4. DJI Osmo Action 4. The DJI Osmo Action 4 steps things up with pro-level features, especially for those who shoot in dynamic lighting conditions. Its standout 1.13-inch image sensor significantly improves low-light performance, capturing clear and detailed footage even at dusk or indoors. It supports 4K video recording at up to 120 frames per second, allowing for buttery smooth slow-motion playback. You also get 10-bit D-Log M color profile, giving you more flexibility in post-production color grading. Combined with its ultra-wide 155-degree field of view, this camera delivers immersive and cinematic footage right out of the box. Stabilization is handled by DJI's Rocksteady 3.0 Plus, which keeps your shots steady even during fast action. On top of that, Horizon Steady locks the horizon even when the camera tilts or rotates, ideal for sports, vlogging, or intense outdoor action. When it comes to durability, the Action 4 is waterproof up to 59 feet without housing, and its rugged build can handle the elements with ease. Thanks to extreme battery mode, you get up to 160 minutes of runtime, even in temperatures as low as -4 degrees Fahrenheit. And when time is tight, fast charging powers it up to 80% in just 18 minutes. From its magnetic quick mount system to its dual touchscreen displays, every detail of the Osmo Action 4 is built for creators who want flexibility, quality, and resilience in every shoot. Number 3. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. If there's one action camera that feels like it was designed with adventurers, filmmakers, and innovators in mind, it's the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. This camera doesn't just record moments, it elevates them. With rich 10-bit color, stunning 4K video, and an incredibly capable sensor, the Osmo Action 5 Pro captures the world with cinematic detail, even when you're deep underwater or exploring after sunset. Thanks to its larger image sensor, you get better low-light performance than most action cams out there, making golden hour rides and night hikes come alive on screen. But DJI didn't stop at visuals. The new pressure sensor adds a fresh layer of storytelling to your footage. Whether you're gaining altitude on a mountain trail or diving into the ocean, this camera records not just what you see, but how high or deep you go. It brings your adventures to life in a whole new dimension. Then there's the design. Rugged, waterproof up to 20 meters with no case needed, and built for extreme conditions. And let's not forget the smart tracking mode. No gimbal, no moving parts, but still able to keep you in the frame. It's brilliant, intuitive, and incredibly fun to use. DJI may have entered this space as the underdog, but with the Action 5 Pro, they've raised the bar so high that even GoPro fans are taking notice. For creators who want pro-level performance in a compact, trail-ready package, this might just be the new standard. Number 2. GoPro Hero13 Black. GoPro is back, this time with a clear message. Creativity just got easier. The Hero13 Black doesn't try to rewrite the rulebook, but it makes some smart and long overdue moves. One of the biggest wins? The return of built-in GPS, a beloved feature for adventurers who love tracking every twist and turn of their journey. And this time, it's paired with smarter tech that makes swapping lenses feel seamless, not stressful. With new lens mods that snap on without the headache of reconfiguring your settings, you can finally shift perspectives on the fly. Want that ultra-wide cinematic feel? A 21:9 anamorphic lens is on the way. Prefer more natural motion blur? The Hero13 even gives you a heads up if your ND filters are off, like having a little filmmaking assistant in your pocket. This camera still delivers that iconic GoPro sharpness in 5.3K. And while it might not be the king of low light, it truly shines in well-lit scenes where detail and motion matter most. And for content creators juggling Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok, the versatile 8:7 sensor means you can shoot once and reframe however you like. GoPro's new magnetic mount system brings convenience, while still offering the rugged, classic folding fingers for those more intense, high-impact moments. And if you like to talk through your footage in real time, great news. Now you can narrate straight through your AirPods or DJI Mic 2, turning raw action into a full story as it unfolds. There's no denying it, GoPro loves its subscription model, and that might not be for everyone. But when it comes to flexibility, durability, and all-out creative control, the Hero13 Black is still a force to be reckoned with. Number 1. Insta360 X5. What if you could aim your camera after the moment has passed? That's the magic of the Insta360 X5, a camera that flips the entire concept of shooting action footage on its head. Instead of pointing and praying, you can record everything around you in full 360 degrees and decide exactly where the focus should be later. It's not just smart, it's liberating. The X5 isn't just a regular upgrade, it's a leap forward. With rugged design improvements and replaceable lenses, it's built for real-world adventures. Whether you're scaling cliffs or diving into the ocean, this camera is ready to go deeper and take a few knocks along the way. But what truly sets the X5 apart is the storytelling potential it unlocks. Mount it on your bike, your helmet, or even your drone, and suddenly you're not just filming, you're creating a cinematic experience. Want to make it look like a drone is following you? Insta360's invisible selfie stick and smart AI framing make it effortless. Add GPS data overlays like speed and altitude, and you've just taken your action vlog to the next level, without ever touching a desktop. The companion mobile app is a dream for creators on the move. Reframe your footage with a tap, let the AI follow the action, or dive into pro-level edits using desktop software or plugins for Final Cut and Premiere. This isn't just an action cam. The Insta360 X5 is a perspective-shifting machine, built for those who want more than just a cool shot. They want to tell stories from every angle. So whether you're Team GoPro, loyal to DJI, or curious about Insta360's magic, these action cameras all bring something special to the table. Which one are you taking on your next adventure? Drop it in the comments below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our next gear showdown. Until then, keep capturing the action.